Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is like 20 degrees out here in Charlotte, and I decided before my garden freezes over that I need to go ahead and clean it out. I've been putting this off for a few months. We bought this house back in October, and it actually came with a garden. It had some watermelons, some tomatoes and peppers, and just like a whole bunch of different things, but I didn't really know what to do with it. So, I was just like, I'm gonna get to it when I get to it. But now, with the new year starting and all, we've been doing our fruits and vegetables, and I just feel like, what's the point of buying all this stuff when I can grow it right here in the garden? So what I want to do is clean it out before the snow hits it and everything just is worse than what it is. And I'm gonna show y'all that process, so just stay with me. Let's first put on these gloves. And the trash just came, which is perfect. So we're gonna roll that back. All right, so now we got our trash can back here. Let's hop right into it. So these are the 3 garden bins, and what I want to do in the spring when it's a little warmer is add a 4th one right here. And then like behind it, I want to probably add some of these things. I don't really know what they call, but yeah, we're gonna do some research and figure it out. If y'all know anything about gardening, please drop some info down below in the comments. Talk to me, let me know. Y'all, we trying to grow our own fruit out here with no pesticides. So this is the watermelon, or one of the watermelons that they left behind. Dang, we should have ate this when we first moved here. This probably was good too. Well, yeah, so we just gonna start off by cleaning it out, getting everything out. And I know I'm gonna have the people in the comments, talking about, why you putting that in the trash? What y'all want me to do with it? I don't want no critters messing up my garden, trying to eat old watermelon. And I'm gonna just try to hurry up and do this before it freezes, because this snow about to come down. And y'all know in North Carolina, it don't even snow like that. So when we get snow, we get snow. Probably be like maybe 10 inches or something. They gonna shut the schools down. So we off today. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. See, they had basil back here. What else they have? Red bell sweet peppers. Tomato. Not just tomato. Celebrity tomato. And then sweet banana peppers. Yeah, they had everything back here. But I'm actually thinking now, maybe should I use a different tool instead of using my hands? We'll see. Hold on. Instead of throwing this in the trash, I actually should just throw this in the woods. But that's all good. I'm trying to do this fast, y'all, because it's cold out here. You know what I'm thinking? Do y'all think, even though like the peppers and the tomatoes and stuff died, do y'all think it'll come back in the spring, or would I need to like put new seeds down? That's a good question. Let me know if you know in the comments below. Maybe I should keep these so that I know what's out here, right? Keep that right there. And I'm not gonna get every single piece. I really wanted to get the fruit out, just the big stuff. Like the tomatoes that been dried up. As you can see, it's now like nothing. And my sister, she actually ate a tomato and she said it was pretty good. It was pretty juicy. And y'all see that? Yeah, it's right now. I wonder what it smells like. Okay. I thought that was a bug. Kids are down. They're taking a nap. Thank God. Nap time has been a struggle lately, and they do not want to go to sleep. Anybody that got 2-year-olds, y'all know that struggle with the terrible twos? Yeah, we call it terrific twos. They not that terrible. They just got a lot of energy. They're just busy. I want to start giving y'all more videos, but I kind of want to just give y'all vlogs, like just weekly vlogs, or just things that we're doing. So y'all let me know down in the comments below if that's some of the things y'all want to see. Just let me know. Alright. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. It's more manageable now. So when it snows, we won't have all that old fruit in there and then be digging out gunk. All right, so now we're done with the garden, and I'm gonna put this trash can back real quick. And we're gonna go inside because it's freezing. I wonder if this jacuzzi would be fun out here with this snow. It should be, because it's covered. I'm acting like we about to get like 5 feet of snow or something, y'all. Probably not. I know definitely not that much. And I was supposed to winterize this pool, but I never got a chance to do that. And the guy at Leslie's pool, he told me, he said, you want to make sure you winterize your pool, clean it out, get all the leaves out, get all the water out. Y'all think I did that? No. Y'all see all those leaves? Yeah. We're gonna get to that. But just not now. Because it's way too cold. And this thing is literally icy. Like I can lay on it. How cool is that? Yeah. And the steps, they're probably wondering why they in the pool and why they frozen over. That's because my lovely kids, they think it's okay to climb up. Oh, look at that, huh? They think it's okay to climb up on the steps. So we had to put them in here, but I didn't think it was going to freeze over like that. And it's crazy because in North Carolina, pools aren't really supposed to freeze because it's not supposed to get that cold. But it would be the year when I got a pool that it want to snow. So, if you don't learn anything from this video, learn not to procrastinate. There's so many projects that I want to do to this backyard. It's a whole nother section of a garden that I need to get together. Clean those lemons out, clean those limes out. It's just so much I gotta do. And there go baby. Hey baby.
Hi. Let me see if you needed help.
Nope, I think we're all done. So y'all, we're gonna close out this video because it's cold and that snow is about to come down. So I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Please share this video, like this video, drop us some comments down below. Let me know about that garden. Let me know what I need to do for the spring so I can harvest a lot of fruits and vegetables. Let me know. What else I want to know, baby? What you want to know? What you want to ask me?
What should we plant? When should we plant it?
Yeah, what should we plant? When should we plant it? Yeah, I think that's it. And once we get it popping, I'm gonna show y'all step by step. Y'all know I'm gonna take y'all along the journey. And if you live in the Charlotte area, then I can definitely get y'all some fruit and vegetables. So stay tuned for the next video. Y'all stay warm. Peace.